In 2010, the city of Takanabe, a devastating outbreak occurred, causing all of the local cabbages to die off. But instead of yelling, "My cabbages!" and blaming all of their problems on the Avatar, the local cabbage farmers turned to something that is truly inspiring. So even though we had just moved across the planet to Miyazaki Prefecture and really wanted to catch up on rest, we found out it was the festivals. Not having a car, we decided to ride our bike the 100 kilometers. But the weather had other plans, so we got a ride from a friend. 11 million sunflowers stretched over the would-be cabbage fields, and we are here to see it. And unfortunately, all of the rain has made the beautiful sunflowers sad. The sun has not been out for weeks on end. All last month, the month before, these poor little guys just haven't got the nutrients that they needed to become huge and amazing like in previous years. But this was the last one that they're going to do, so we came to see it. And I'm definitely glad that we did not bike here, seeing as they are a little on the sad side. But I'm glad we got to come and see it. I didn't want to regret missing the last one, and so we are here and we are enjoying it, and it is crazy. They just keep going. I mean, it looks like it just turns green out there, but it's not. It's all sunflowers, all the way to the end over there. As far as the eye can see, pretty much every direction is sunflowers. Little, tiny, sad sunflowers. If you're interested in coming seeing the flowers, they will be planted again next year. Pray that they actually get, sun, so that they can be tall and beautiful and full of their majestic sunflowerness. And that's all for now. We'll see you guys later. On our way back, our friend Gaku took us to one of his favorite restaurants where we had udon for the first time. Udon is a thick, sticky noodle made out of wheat flour and can come hot or cold. With cold noodles, they're typically served on a platter with tempura and a dipping sauce. Gaku showed us how to do it first, and now it's my turn.
That's a big bite.
Oh, really?
It was too big for my mouth, but it's good.
Udon can typically come with two different kinds of tempura, either vegetable or shrimp, and I of course chose vegetable because shrimp scares me. And it actually had some really interesting vegetables I had never seen before, like this burdock root.
I'm having udon today, cold udon, and you dip it into sauce, and it's really yummy. It's kind of chewier than I expected, and they stick together, so I get like way too much in my mouth, and it's all over me. But it's cool. I've got this burdock root. I've never had burdock before. It's really good. It's like really, really crunchy, thin French fries stuck together. And it also comes with sweet potato and some other tempura vegetables. And you dip it in the sauce, and it's like nice and cold and refreshing for like your, summer days. It's kind of, it's not like ramen at all.
Hi.
So moist. So final thoughts, it's good and I will definitely eat it again. And this stuff is amazing. I really like it.
Right after udon, we head toward Aoshima's night market. Aoshima is a suburb of Miyazaki and is known for its surfing culture as well as its amazing botanical gardens. As you can see here, we walked through a greenhouse that had all kinds of crazy plants. Who knew bananas were so scary? Little known fact, Aoshima also has some of the world's fastest children. Oh, there's one! As you can see, Aoshima's night market is a great place to start a summer romance. Have your first kiss under the lover's tree and drift into the evening with this lovely song.
Do it.
So, final thoughts? I don't know what to do.